Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Apple Pay reader. First, let's understand the basics. An Apple Pay reader is a secure, contactless payment terminal. To begin, you'll connect it to your existing point-of-sale system or a dedicated app on your iPhone or iPad. This usually involves a quick pairing process, often via Bluetooth, ensuring the reader is fully charged and ready to go. It's designed for simplicity, allowing you to start accepting payments in just a few moments. Processing a transaction with an Apple Pay reader is straightforward. Once you've entered the purchase amount into your connected device, simply present the reader to your customer. They will then hold their Apple device, like an iPhone or Apple Watch, within 4 centimeters of the reader's NFC symbol. The payment processes almost instantly, typically within 3 seconds, and both you and the customer will receive a clear confirmation that the transaction was successful, making checkout quick and efficient. Sometimes, you might encounter a minor hiccup. If a payment doesn't go through, first verify that your reader is properly connected and that the customer's Apple device is unlocked and authenticated. A quick restart of the reader or your connected device can often resolve connection issues. For the smoothest experience, regularly update your reader's software and maintain a strong internet connection. Always double-check the transaction amount on your screen before the customer taps to pay, ensuring accuracy every time. Using an Apple Pay reader brings numerous advantages to your business. It offers a highly secure payment method, protecting sensitive customer information through advanced encryption and biometric authentication. This not only builds trust, but also speeds up the checkout process significantly, often cutting transaction times by several seconds. The convenience of contactless payments is a huge draw for customers, leading to greater satisfaction and a more modern, efficient payment experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.